Good evening, everybody. What's good? How is everybody? I hope everybody's staying safe out there, and I hope that all is well with you and your fam. And with that, let's start the video. Okay, guys, gals, tonight I am going to make something that I've been contemplating making, but I don't think I have, at least not on video. So without any further ado, let's get into this. Tonight I'm gonna make, I have waffles. I made these about 5 nights ago for dinner, and I had 5 left over. So I thought, you know what, I want breakfast, but I don't want a big mess. And I don't want it to take forever in a day to do, so I decided let's make some waffle breakfast sandwiches. Just using a few odds and ends that I have laying around. We don't have any meat, sausage for this video, which is what I wanted to use, but that's okay. I still have other ingredients, and I'm going to use 1 egg. And I have 1 slice of Velveeta sliced cheese. And I also had a cooking spray. I have a paper plate. And I have this. This here I found to be a multi-purpose thing. It's a hamburger press. And it's got a thing that pushes down on the meat in here to shape the patties. But by the time they cook, they're kind of small, but either way. So I also found I can spray as a cooking spray, and I can put 1 egg in here, and then I can just take a napkin and lay over the top of it so that it doesn't dip into the egg, and then I put it in the microwave, and they just go in 10-second increments until the egg is complete. You'll hear it pop in the microwave, and that usually indicates that it's done. And then once it's done, we'll take it out and we'll flip it over onto the plate. It just fly right out of there nice and smooth as silk. And while that's happening, I'm going to have a couple of waffles going on in here. We got this set to 4. And I've been told that these numbers indicate minutes. So we're going to time it here and see if that's accurate. Alright, guys and gals, I'm going to do a little prep here, and I'll be right back with everything in motion. Okay, everybody, I have the egg in the little press. I sprayed it with cooking oil, it's butter flavored cooking spray. I have my waffles in the toaster. I plugged her in. Got my salt and pepper handy. I also have a toothpick. The cheese is out of its wrap, and I'm going to show you here. Watch this. This is how, but before I do, watch. Put our salt and pepper on. Don't have to put a whole lot on there. About like so, ever so slightly. Then, take your toothpick. You bust the yolk. You don't have to get too crazy with it in here. Just break the yolk. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this on top of this. No, we're not. We're going to open the microwave. I apologize, my microwave is quite loud. Set this off to one side. And then let's take this, I'll set it right on top of it. Close the door. And we're going to push our toaster down. Noting it's set to 4. Alright, now let's start to cook the egg. This is a real easy, if you guys have waffles for your dinner or whenever, and you have extras, or you just make them to make them, you can put them in here, and when you heat them up in a toaster, they come out nice, just like they were when they were First made. Alright, that was 10 seconds, everybody. Let's move it over here now. Let's go 20 this time. I should have done 20 seconds the very first time, but that's okay. If it gets crazy in there, you can always push the stop button. Okay. See, now it's starting to turn white, everybody, and it's still kind of not cooked all the way over here. You want to make sure your egg is always cooked. Turn over your thing here, and you move it to the back corner. The reason I'm doing this, in the Amana commercial, underneath that glass plate, there is a metal, a strip that rotates around circles, which evenly distributes the microwaves that are coming into the unit. That's a pretty clever way to make your food cook without a turntable. Alright, let's see, I'll touch it with our fingers. It's all done. So you have, what was that, 30 seconds altogether. Eggs nice and done. Let's put our salt and pepper away because we're done with that. Next thing I'm going to do, watch here, get the egg out, just like that. You see it? It's perfect. Then we take our cheese, lay it right on top. The heat from the egg will melt the cheese. I'm trying not to pause or cut the video. I just want to do this straight through. Waiting for our waffles to cook here. How many minutes has it been? I can smell the Belgian waffle mix smell coming out. I apologize, my sink ain't clean, y'all. Rachel and I had some pudding and stuff, and she had ramen noodles earlier. So let's see how our waffles are. They're just perfect. So you set a waffle down here. Actually, this is how you do it. You set the waffle on top. Hold on, I gotta pause this to flip it. Okay, yeah. It's all done, it's all flipped. We're gonna use this to wipe this out. Hold on one moment. Alright, everybody. So, there you have it. This is how you can construct a easy, quick fix, do-it-yourself waffle breakfast sandwich. And you know, I prefer to have sausage on these as well. And sometimes I'll even go so far as to put butter and maybe maple syrup. But I just wanted a quick, simple, easy fix that ain't messy. Because I'm hungry. I worked all night long and didn't have nothing to eat since about 1 o'clock this afternoon, and it is now 12 o'clock midnight here, dang near. So let's taste this, you guys, and see how it tastes, okay? I'm go in for the bite. Look at that. Yummy. That has got a wonderful taste. I can taste the egg and the cheese. And the waffles are predominant on the flavor. For obvious reasons, because they outnumber everything else. But let's have another little bite here and I'll give it a rating. There it is, y'all. This is going to be the video's title, because it's these waffles are made using this waffle mix. And I tell you what, this is one of my favorite waffle mixes to go out and buy from the stores, because the Belgian flavor is spot on. And that's what I really like about it the most. There's enough in that box right there to probably make, I'd have to say, right around 20 to 25 waffles, depending on how much you fill your grid out when you pour them in. So it's well worth it. It was only like $3.49 at the grocery store, I do believe. And so yeah, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a creation, and with the being a creation, it's a create not hate breakfast creation. I create this and I not hate. I create this because my friends showed me create not hate, which is a wonderful community here on YouTube. A lot of great, superb creators in there, as well as it is Pet Monster and Monster Chick's channel. Go over there and check them out. There's a link in my community tab on our channel that you can click right on. It'll take you right to their channel, and just go to their most recent upload, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So there it is, everybody. I'm gonna give that I give it a 4.5. If it had sausage and the syrup, a little bit extra like I used to do, it'd be a straight on 5 all day long. But it is what it is. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please check out our playlist for many videos like this one. And remember, everybody, stay safe out there and take care of your loved ones. That's it for me, y'all. Peace out. Bye-bye.